Hi everyone, today I am at 7 Ancient Bend, which is in Inwood. It's in the guard gated section of Inwood. So great central location, guard gated for extra security, and tree lined streets for those of you that aren't familiar with Inwood. So we're going to take a look first, just kind of down the street so you can see just lots of trees, nice big open roads as well. And this house is no exception. It has a great circle drive, which a lot of people love. And then it has all the trees that everyone loves Inwood for. So you can see all of the oak trees here. We're going to take a look inside this one story home. It is actually 3 bedrooms plus an office, or you could call it 4 bedrooms. And it does actually have 3 full baths, which is somewhat unusual. So you can see here, we take a step into the door and we are in this nice entry foyer here with lots of architectural details. And then you have a great room or a formal living room here. And we'll take a look at that in a second. And then over to your left, you actually have the formal dining room space with the chair rail and all these pretty wood floors as well. Down the hallway to the left, you have a full bath right here. And then you have one of the bedrooms right here. It's a really good size. That's a giant king size bed. Laundry room in between these 2 bedrooms. The garage is out through that door. And then another bedroom over here. So hopefully you can tell by the video here, these are really, really good size secondary bedrooms. They all have new carpet. The house has been painted well. So I know it's a lot of times it's hard. That's something we hear from buyers a lot, is that the secondary bedrooms in newer construction are so small, and that is not the case in this house, which is really nice. So again, off this entryway, formal dining, and then you can take a walk into the kitchen this way. There's an alternative way as well, but right here, lots of counter space, lots of storage cabinet space, 2 big closets here for pantry storage and other kitchen items, breakfast room with views of the backyard. See right here. And then you have your second family room or living room with a fireplace that's on the back of the house. So space right here, as well as, again, opens into the kitchen with a built-in desk. And then there's that room that we kind of saw right when we walked in the front. You can see the backyard does have a covered patio, pretty good size out there. So here is that room. So if you had gone the other way off of the entry, you would hit this study right here, which could also be the 4th bedroom if you don't need a study, but we have it set up as a study. There's a smaller closet right here. I'm going to show you, but it's still a good size. And then a bathroom. So this is right off the study, full bath. Also with a large walk-in closet. So these homeowners, and there's some storage back here as well, so that's off the study. These homeowners left this door open into the primary bedroom. There's another bathroom. We'll go through that door in a minute. So they have this set up as actually a his and her bathroom, so 2 bathrooms off of the primary bedroom, but you could certainly close that door off, and then you would have an ensuite bedroom here with a huge walk-in closet as well as its own bathroom if you didn't want to leave it open to the primary bedroom. So this is the primary bedroom. It does have a fireplace as well. And then if you did close that off, then this would be exclusively just the bathroom for the main bedroom. And it still has a really good size closet off of here, as well as a full bath. And this is on the back of the house. And then kind of a bonus space is this right here. So that goes back out into that great room, but right now I'm standing in the primary bathroom. And then you have this space that could be it could certainly be an exercise room. It could be a craft room. It could be, if you have a lot of safes or something, for gun safes or something. It would be a great room for that as well. But, you know, just a really fantastic home here in Inwood on Ancient Bend. It should hit the market here in the next day or so. It's a really popular neighborhood. If you do want to come and take a look at this house, it is available for showings immediately. So you can reach out to us, or you can reach out to your agent and we can give them showing instructions. But you will take advantage of this property and make it your next home. Thank you so much. Have a great day.